Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Coders. Today we'll start about Python. Hi everyone, in today's video we'll start about Python. First of all, we need to know what is Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and it was released in 1991. Here is a picture of him and where Python is used. The question arises where Python is used. Python is used in web development, server side. It is used in software development. It is used in mathematics. It is used in system scripting, and Python is mainly required for machine learning and data science. If you are going in that sector, now we have to know what Python can do. Python can be used on server side to create web application. We can create web application with Python. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can be connected to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping and for production ready software development. Python is used in data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, that's NLP. Python is also used for computer vision and deployment. Now the question arises, why Python? Why we should use Python for programming? Python works on different platforms. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Here is a Mac Mini. Here is a logo of Linux system. Here is a picture of Raspberry Pi. Here is a logo of Windows system. Python has simple syntax and it is similar to English language. Suppose in Python we can write directly print statement to print something on the console. Python has a syntax that allows developer to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming language. With Python, we can write few lines and have the same effect as some other programming language where we have to write multiple lines. Python runs on interpreter system, means the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick, and this is a special part where Python can be treated as procedural language, an object oriented way, or a functional way. Now let us compare Python syntax to some other programming language. Python was designed for readability and have some similar to the English language influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming language which often uses semicolon. Python doesn't use a semicolon or any parenthesis. It mainly relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. We'll learn about functions, classes, scopes in, in future videos. Now, let us install Python on our system and we'll see few codes. Just an example, Python code can be written like this. We can write simply print and write hello.
Now we'll install Python. We'll just type install Python on a computer system, and if you click it, we'll get download Python org. And just click the link and it will directly show download which version of the Python you want to download. Suppose if you want to download that, you want to download for Windows, I'll just cancel it. I already have installed. Suppose when it is installed, let me, I guess to show you guys, let me install it again. Suppose it is installed, just open the file, you'll get a prompt that upgrade now. I'll upgrade my Python. Just simply next, and you can go, you can set up. I guess you guys can understand that. Now, for coding, we'll need a text editor. You can code in anything, but we'll use VS Code. So, just type download VS Code. You'll get a VS Code link, VS Code from Mac, Windows. Just download it from here. I have already installed in the system, so I won't download it again. Now, after the installation is complete, you can open a new, you can open the VS Code. In File, you can open a new folder. Suppose we have a desktop. In desktop, we have a folder called YouTube. YouTube video, first video introduction, and select this folder. And this is how the system looks in VS Code. Suppose to write a Python program, we need to give it a py extension to write a Python program. Okay, and you guys have to install some extensions. For our extension, you can get here. You can write code runner, I guess. Yeah, you can write code runner. It runs Python G. This all run. Just you will get this button when this one is installed. I have already installed in my system, and we'll go back to our code in main.py. Suppose if we want to write something, just write print hello world, and we can just go over here and we'll run the Python file. On the terminal, we'll get hello world is printed on our system. So this is the first Python program we wrote, and I'll again write print. Thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see it, we'll run the file, we'll get again. Thank you guys for watching the video. So this is the introduction of part of Python.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And if there is any improvement I can do, please share that. This is my first video. If anything you like, any topic you want me to explain, if I'm explaining well, please share that. Thank you very much. And for the last, this is my first video I ever made, so I'll be open to feedbacks to improve. How can I improve it? And thank you guys for watching.